Alrighty, in this lesson, we're going to talk about what a chord is. So, a chord is when one or more notes is played at the same time. So, in this recording software, I can explain that pretty easily. By clicking on a single note, I'm playing a note, okay? So, we call that a note because it's a sound that goes for a certain amount of time, and we can tell that it's musical, right? We can tell that's a piano. Alrighty, so, if I grab my pen tool and just input that one note, it's just a note. You can see it's a single thing, okay? A chord is when you put more than one thing together. So if I select another note here, okay, and I play them at the same time, let's drag them out a little bit longer so you can hear it for longer. Awesome. Alrighty, now a chord doesn't need to sound good. We could just clump a bunch of random notes together, really close to each other, and see what it sounds like. Cool. So, by knowing that, maybe it might sound good if we spread them apart, maybe? Let's spread them really far apart and see if that sounds any good. I mean, it doesn't sound horrible, but it doesn't sound like a song. So, knowing that, there are some tricks we can use to make sure that our chords always sound good. The way we do that is by picking a scale and then following a basic set of rules, which is grab a note, skip a note. So if our scale is all the white keys, cool, I'm gonna press the first key, cool, I'm gonna skip the next key and then press the next one, cool, and then I'm gonna skip the next one and add another one. Now let's see if that sounds good. Sweet, let's try that again with a different starting note and we'll just see what comes out. So let's pick another note to start from. Let's start from this one. Alrighty, so I come across over here with my pencil tool. Awesome, so I'm going to grab that note, skip this one, grab that one. I'm going to skip that one, grab this one. Now let's see if that sounds good. Easy. So as you can see, creating chords is when you put more than one note next to each other at the same time. They don't have to sound good, but if we use a simple set of rules, we can create chords that sound good like these ones. Sweet.